What are we off to do now? So very eager to find out what it really is.
Flamenco? It's dancing.
I know, it's dancing. The nightlife.
I want a flamenco dress. Flamenco.
Flamenco. I must show the American people that, oh, you have an entire window. Anyway, thought that was very interesting. Rainy. Yeah, I did not have a hood. At the airport, we were just sitting there and across this like an hour, and I'm like, well, it's cold there, I'm gonna take it. Castle to let's try and find some umbrellas. So let's see what happens. I almost made it to a store and it just started pouring. We got umbrellas. I got a toboggan. They're so good. Oh, hello.
Oh, I think this is like someone looks in the library.
A little boat thing. What is this place?
I want to get a drink. España,
Which means?
you know, military. I don't know, he's not like big in
Third person here.
Yes, I am.
Like I'm not even here.
I'm talking.
Up steps and then down steps.
Oh, but they still could have made it a bridge without steps.
True. But for danger, I think. Because we could video it later and figure out what it is. Nish, so we don't know what it says.
The Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. Yeah.
It's probably on the big one.
Was
yellow and green. Guns. We got guns. Wow. More guns. We might eat here.
we might eat. I think we're thinking at a
Mick Extreme 2D pepperoni.
Ooh, extreme, Mick Extreme.
$4.
Wait, look. So
the kids that eating healthy here,
apples, you can get apples and whatever.
they don't get fries and chicken wings and chicken bites.
Loaded fries. They have wedge fries.
I want to try these.
Fries are.
What's desserts? For you? Oh. What does that mean?
Okay.
Oh, that's like $6, I guess. Oh, then here's the little things. Lunch.
All the way across the world
She gets a burger.
to get a burger and french fries.
Chicken. Oriental chicken. But we do have a little cloud over our... Someone left their phone in the taxi.
Yeah. And it was an Oscar.
Wasn't me.
So, then, to add right after from our hotel.
One of them.
We're hoping. But I did have a cell phone.
Cancel? Fingers crossed.
I do not know.
Yesterday. We went
Yeah,
that
we were here yesterday.
Okay. That way.
Hang out.
Well, I think it's still around the corner. Yeah. Learned a lot.
We did. It was really cool.
Yeah, I want to go back and watch season 5. I was wondering, like...
We were asking too yesterday, like, when do I see this?
Dude, go. yep.
Oh, I
Here's the maze.
Oh no, you gotta go down there.
Yeah, that's where everybody went. Always take the first. This could be fun. Uh-oh, you are going a different way.
I'm not gonna keep going. I'm gonna come back to you.
Okay, we've been in here for 30 minutes now. The light of the tunnel. That was a little harder than I thought. Like, help.
14th century, they would find what? Look at the ceiling, please. Oh, look at this amazing ceiling. Tiles are from at the end of the 16th century. There is something different.
Something different.
Alcázar of Seville, Seville, Spain. We've covered have either been historic castles. The Royal Palace can trace its roots to the first Game of Thrones decided to use it as a stand-in. Unravels into a seemingly endless maze of archy up close. Number 1.
I wouldn't doubt it.
About at 5:10. Something's going on right there. Okay, as she sips her Coke Zero. Please introduce us. Well, we know what this is. This
Okay.
is potatoes, spicy potato.
Spicy potatoes.
Which has a sauce on the bottom, which
But I don't.
we think is a spicy sauce. It just says spicy kimchi.
No.
Oh, you want to read it? All right, she's going to cheat. Okay. read under the table.
So this right here is the Campero Super Triton.
Super Triton.
It says pork loin, cheese, bacon, tomatoes, and aioli on brioche bread.
Okay.
French fries. Papas fritas.
All right.
And then steak tartare on brioche and mayonnaise parmesan.
Mayonnaise Parmesan. So mayonnaise and Parmesan. Okay.
Yep.
I mean,
So
it's
that
something
is-
I've never eaten before.
All of these are things that we haven't. I mean, they're
Yes. And what is this over here I see? Is that earphones right there? Where'd that come from? Last we spoke, your phone disappeared. I mean, was stolen. No, wait. Lost.
a memory made.
In the taxi. And we contacted Xfinity, got him to send a replacement phone, which was only $300. And then we tried to log in. You tried to log in, got locked out. And then we used my iPad, which I reset and formatted all over again, set up the iPad, but it needed 4 hours to log you back in, basically, to do an update first. And the McDonald's Wi-Fi. And then as we're getting back to the hotel, the front desk says, "Oh, hey, the taxi driver returned your phone."
For €6.
For the taxi fare. So we gave him 10. So here we are, waiting for my iPad to reset again.
The things that he does for me, that is true love.
Yes, that is quite true love. I'm sure she'll post all about it later. All the details. Minus my commentary.